Hey there, if you're thinking about starting an LLC, no matter what state you're in, this video is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know about forming an LLC and show you how to set one up in just a few minutes. So first, let's talk about what an LLC actually is. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's one of the most popular business structures for small business owners and entrepreneurs. The main reason that people choose an LLC is for personal liability protection it offers. This means that your personal assets like your home, car, and personal bank accounts are protected if your business ever faces lawsuits or debts. Now, let's go through the 5 main steps that you'll need to follow to form an LLC in any state. These steps are pretty consistent through all the states, though there might be some small variations in fees or specific requirements. So, step 1 is choosing the name for your LLC. This is a very important decision because your business name needs to comply with the state rules. Generally, the name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or a similar designation on the end. Your name also can't be the same or too similar to an existing business in your state, and it can't include words that might confuse people into thinking that you're a government agency. Most states have an online database where you can actually search to see if your desired name is available. Step 2 is appointing a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a company that accepts legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They need to have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed, and they need to be available during normal business hours. You can be your own registered agent, but many business owners just prefer to use professional services to maintain the privacy and ensure that nothing important ever gets missed. Step 3 is to file your articles of organization, sometimes called Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization, depending on your state. This is the document that officially creates your LLC. You'll submit this to your state's business filing office, usually the Secretary of State, along with a filing fee. The fee varies by state, ranging anywhere from about $100 to several $100s, and the form typically asks for basic information like your LLC's name, address, registered agent information, and sometimes the names of members or managers. Step 4 is getting an EIN or employer identification number. This is like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it to open up a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. You can get the EIN for free actually from the IRS website, and it only really takes a few minutes to get it. Step 5 is creating an operating agreement. While not required in all states, having an operating agreement is strongly recommended. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, including ownership percentages, voting rights, profit distribution, and what happens if a member leaves the business or it dissolves. Even if you're the only member of your LLC, an operating agreement can still help establish your business as a separate entity from yourself. After forming your LLC, there are a few additional things that you'll want to do. First, open up a separate business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is crucial for maintaining your liability protection. You also want to check if your state requires any annual reports or has annual fees to keep your LLC in good standing. And depending on your business type, you might need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Now, I know all this might sound complicated, but there's actually a much easier way to handle it. I personally recommend using Northwest Registered Agent to form your LLC. I'd use them myself for multiple businesses, and they make the entire process super easy. So here's how it works. You just click on the exclusive discount link that I've included into the description below, and once you're on their website, you just click the button to get started. First, they're going to ask you, what type of business you're starting and in what state. Then you're just going to select the LLC and choose the state where you want to form your business. Then you'll enter the name that you want for your company. Make sure that it follows your state's naming rules that we've discussed earlier. And then just, you'll specify the purpose of your business and provide your business address. And this is all just pretty straightforward, just enter the accurate information. After that, you'll enter the members of your LLC, your contact information, and, then select any additional services that you might need. Northwest offers actually some pretty helpful add-ons like getting an EIN for you, setting up a trademark if you need one. Finally, you'll submit your payment, and Northwest will handle everything else for you. They're going to prepare and file all the necessary paperwork with your state. They're going to serve as your registered agent, and they're going to provide you with all the documents that you need to get your business up and running. The whole process, it really only takes like 3 to 5 minutes to complete on their website, and that's actually exactly why I recommend it to everybody that I know, because it makes starting your LLC, super easy. Plus, they have excellent customer service if you ever have any questions along the way. The prices are also really transparent. There's no hidden fees, and they also include a full year of registered agent service with every LLC formation. So that's pretty much everything that you need to know about forming an LLC in any state. I hope that this guide has been very helpful for you. If you found any value in this video, then please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more business tips and guides. All the resources mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with your new business venture. I'll see you in the next video.